in the living present, heart within and God overhead. My dear friends, in the previous class, we have discussed few rules of simple present. They are permanent truth, which is true forever. Habitual action related to habit. Conditional 0 and 1 related to condition. Without condition, nothing happens in this world. Students are in the classroom with a condition. Teacher teaches in the classroom with a condition. In the pandemic, we are taking virtual class because of condition. इरशाद, तुम कहो तो मर भी जाऊं मैं मगर एक शर्त है, बस कफन के वास्ते आंचल तुम्हारा चाहिए. So everything depends upon condition. So from condition, we'll move to the next rule, rule number 4. That is adverbs. Some adverbs go with simple present are always, generally, usually, normally, seldom, rarely, often, every day. Once again, some adverbs go with simple present are always, generally, usually, normally, seldom, rarely, often, every day, twice a day, thrice a day, every week, twice a week, thrice a week, every month, twice a month, thrice a month, every year, twice a year, thrice a year, etc. So, we'll have the practical use of it afterwards in the present continuous also. We'll move to the next rule, that is quotations and proverbs. According to M.K. Gandhi, education, what I mean, all-round drawing out of the best in the child, body, mind and spirit. According to M.K. Gandhi, education, what I mean, simple present, subject plus verb 1. What I mean means simple present. So quotations are in simple present. According to John Keats, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. When in the sentence man verb is not there, auxiliary verb are considered as man verb. So a thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is simple present. According to Oscar Wilde, the world is full of beauty when your heart is full of love. The world is full of beauty when your heart is full of love. Again, it is simple present. So, quotations are in simple present. Proverbs are in simple present. Barking dog seldom bites. Seldom bites, again comes seldom. Simple present. Barking dog seldom bites. Okay, we'll move to the next rule, newspaper headline. Newspaper headline are most of the time in simple present. Inside story is something different, but headline is in simple present. For example, accident claims 2 lives. Accident subject claims 2 lives. Simple present. Modi calls for Swachh Bharat. Simple present. Kohli hits a ton. India wins. Hits. India wins. Simple present. So newspaper headline most of the time in simple present. The world is under the clutch of COVID-19. Simple present. So newspaper headline are in simple present. Next rule, move to the next rule, that is running commentary. If you have got knowledge of simple present, simple knowledge of simple present, you can go for commentary. You need a little bit fluency. And okay, a rising and falling of tone, intonation. For example, Slok passes the ball to Ava. Ava hits it right to the goal post and it is goal. Generally कैसे बोलते हैं? They use a little bit pace, rising, falling of tone, maybe like this. Now Ava passes the ball to Slok. Slok hits it right to the goal post and it is goal. So if you got knowledge of simple present, you can go for running commentary. It's all about simple present. I'll add one more role developed by me. Just a minute. With the help of simple present, you can quiz somebody. You can tease somebody. Let's take an example. You can send cards to somebody by wishing, and you can tease also. For example, okay, Smita is sending a card to her mother. Mama, mother, I am in love. Okay, hold on. Suppose it is a card, first page and second page. Okay, think that it is first page and this one is second one, right? So in the first page, Mama, mother, I am in love. I am, this suggests simple present. I am in love in the second page with you, Mama, with you. So I am in love with you. If we make some change, I am in love without you. Mama is ready with broom. Mama will join Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, little bit variation. I am not in love with you. So with the help of simple present, you can quiz somebody. You can tease also somebody. Okay. Thank you very much. It is all about simple present. We'll move to present continuous. We'll go for present continuous. Present continuous. Structure: subject plus is or am, on, are plus verb ing. Rule number 1. At the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Something is going on at the time of speaking. I am teaching. You are listening. The fans are moving. No, the fans are rotating. The bars are throwing light. People are marching on to their workplace. Air is blowing. At the time of present, what is going on? That is, okay, present continuous. Rule number 1, at the time of speaking. Rule number 2, not necessarily at the time of speaking. Rule number 2, not necessarily at the time of speaking. Something is going on, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. चल रहा है, लेकिन बोलते वक्त चल नहीं रहा है. ऐसे कैसे? Let me give some example. You'll understand. It is related to profession, pastime. Suppose, okay, Rita is taking music class nowadays. Rita is taking music class nowadays. It is not necessarily at the time of speaking. Rita is present in this room now. So Rita is taking music class, music lesson nowadays. She takes music lesson on Saturday and Sunday. It is going on at the time, not necessarily at the time of speaking, but it is going on. Mr. Patnaik is building a house. That means it's not necessarily at the time of speaking. Suppose I am doing a call to Mr. Ram. Hello Mr. Ram, happy birthday. God bless you. From Ram's side. Who is there? I didn't recognize you. Arey, try to recognize. Sorry. Arey, I am Kunal sir. Oh, Kunal sir. Thank you sir. I couldn't recognize because for the first time you are doing call. Okay, Ram, what your papa is doing? Sir, my papa is working in a bank, sir. Now? No, no. What I mean to say is that, sir, my father is sleeping now. But my father is working in a bank. It is true or not? So, work is going on, not necessarily at the time of speaking. So, rule 2, not necessarily at the time of speaking. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 and 4. You'll get a clue, a surprise. Getting something? No, no. Look. SISD. ZIZD. Sudden increase, sudden decrease. Gradual increase, gradual decrease. In these 4 cases, you can use present continuous. For example, Smita is getting mischievous day by day. Rita is improving gradually in all subjects. The price of petrol is increasing day by day. The price of sugar is getting lower day by day. Human beings are going down and down in the scale of morality. In these 4 cases, you can use present continuous. Rule number 4. Hatke. Hatke means different. If you mark interview is going on, so I need a chair. Is it possible to get a chair? Okay. Am I visible? Okay. An interview is going on. Interview of a heroine. Question is put to her. So, अच्छा बताइए आपका जो फिल्म है जो रिलीज होने वाला है उसका थीम क्या है, स्टोरी क्या है? So the heroine in the first film, debut film, say, okay, आप खुद देख लीजिए ना. नहीं फिर भी बताइए, दर्शक जानने के लिए उत्सुक है कि आपका फिल्म है क्या? You know, my film is something different, something change, something हटके है, something extraordinary. So फिर बताइए आप कौन सा किरदार निभा रहे हैं? You know, I am playing a double role. Is it different? No, not. But our role हटके is different. How? Let's see. In the rule number 4 of simple present, we discuss always, generally, usually, normally, seldom, rarely, every day. If these adverbs are there, we have to use some simple present. But उससे कुछ हटके होता है तो present continuous होगा. For example, the boy next door. The boy next door. पड़ोस का जो बच्चा है. The boy next door, that's the plant. Waters the plant in the morning. But today, he is watering the plant in the evening. हटके हुआ, present continuous. Our neighbors, they go to Puri every winter, every day, simple present. But this winter, they are going to Sambalpur. It is all about present continuous. Thank you.